Want to start making money online in 2025? You don't need a website, audience, or experience. Here are 3 powerful AI tools that can help you build passive income, fast. Tool number 1: ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your personal AI writer. It can create content like ebooks, blog posts, faceless YouTube script, product descriptions. Use it to sell digital products or offer content creation as a service. It's available 24/7 and works in seconds. Tool number 2: Pictory. Pictory turns text into videos automatically. Paste a script, choose visuals, and export. That's it. You can create YouTube faceless videos, TikToks, and short video ads for your products. No video editing skills needed. Perfect for passive content monetization. Tool number 3: Koala Write. A Koala Writer uses AI+ real-time SEO data to write blog articles that rank on Google. It's perfect for niche blog monetization, affiliate marketing, display ads, and digital product promotion. Write, rank, earn, all on autopilot. Wrap up. These 3 tools let you automate content creation and start earning online in 2025. AI saves you time and helps you scale faster. Want more faceless income ideas? Subscribe to Auto Profit Daily. Let's build your digital income system together.